In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to poll during a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're a seasoned Teams user or just getting started, adding polls to your meetings can be an effective way to engage participants, collect feedback, and make decisions in real time. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You can do this by entering the URL into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice an option to sign in. Click that sign in button and enter your credentials to access your Teams account. Keep your login details handy if you're a frequent user, it will save you time and hassle. Now that you're signed in, it's time to start a meeting. Look for the video camera icon, this is your cue to click and initiate a new meeting. Starting a video meeting is straightforward, and once you've done this, you'll be able to see your familiar Teams interface where participants can join. Initiating your meeting is the first step toward making sure your poll reaches your intended audience. During your meeting, you'll see a chat icon prominently displayed. Click on that to open the chat panel. Within this panel, you have various options to enhance your meeting experience. The next step is to locate the plus icon. This icon allows you to add new features or functions to your meeting. One of those features is polls, so go ahead and click on polls. This handy tool is what enables you to craft questions and gather responses from your participants effortlessly. At this stage, you can type a description for your poll. A clear and concise description helps your participants understand the purpose of the poll and encourages engagement. You're also able to retype the options for your poll, customizing them according to your needs. This flexibility is great for tailoring your questions to suit specific meeting topics or objectives. Make sure your options are distinct and easy to understand, as this will aid in collecting accurate responses. Before you send out your poll, it's a good idea to see a preview of what your participants will encounter. This feature lets you ensure that everything is as you want it. Verify that your poll is well organized and that all options are correctly listed. If everything looks good, you're ready for the next step. Finally, send out your poll by clicking on the Send button. Your participants will now see the poll in the chat and can begin responding. Monitoring the responses in real time can provide valuable insights and keep the meeting dynamic and interactive. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively use polls during your Microsoft Teams meetings. It's a great way to enhance communication and make data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you become more productive and engaged in your Teams meetings.